the cold air, the quiet streets, and a nation remembering its heroes. This is Remembrance Day in Canada, a day to honor those who gave their lives for our freedom. Earlier today, I placed my poppy at the memorial. A small gesture, but one that means never forgetting.
A lot of people came out today to honor our veterans. Many were emotional and not open to interviews, which I fully respect. But here are some of the voices and moments that I was able to capture.
My name is Philip Chamberlain.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Philip. My name is Marcus.
Marcus, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. What does Remembrance Day mean to you personally?
Well, personally, it reminds me of my service, and it reminds me of all of the people that I've served with over my 32 years of service. So, and I get an opportunity to meet some of them that I might not have seen in a decade or more.
I'm the founder of Black Veterans Day. Go to Black Veterans Day on Instagram and Facebook on November 7th, part of Remembrance Week. November 8th is Indigenous Veterans Day, and that's been around for 20 plus years. So this is the fourth annual commemoration of Black Veterans Day, and the reason why we celebrate Black Veterans Day is because in 1775, 250 years ago, we were enslaved in America, and the British governor put out a proclamation and said if any blacks want to fight for the British against America, then you get freedom. And we did. We left the plantations, we joined the British Army, and many of those received that offer of freedom, ended up in Nova Scotia, we ended up in Sierra Leone, Africa, we ended up in Britain, all over the world.
My name is Emily Cathcart, and this handsome man in the picture here is my grandfather, Lloyd Simpson, and he was a World War II veteran. He's one of several veterans in the family.
Okay.
He also had a brother who served in World War II, another one served in Korea.
Oh.
My dad served in the British Army back in the 60s. My great-grandfather, his father, was a World War I veteran who fought at Vimy Ridge. And he had a cousin who also served in World War II, and unfortunately he was one of the ones who did not make it home. He was killed at Dieppe, unfortunately.
My condolences, but your family has some rich history, you know? It's a pleasure and it's an honor. Respect, much respect and much love.
Thank you.
I appreciate your guys' service. You guys are amazing family.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you, that means a lot to me. That's so nice of you.
Of course.
We need each other, and this is just a reminder. And people have died for us to have what we have now today, and we can't forget that. Otherwise, we lose all sense and we become alone. So we're together. Somebody did something for me to be here today, and I want to honor their memory.
Jack currently lives in Toronto and is joined by his daughter, Annalie. Today, we remember those who lost their lives and the thousands of other Canadians who were injured or returned home with invisible trauma as a result of serving in the Second World War. We also pay tribute to the loved ones of those soldiers whose sacrifice we will never forget.
My name is Christine Nichols Whiteley. My family has 6 generations of serving their country. That started with great uncles. I currently have a great nephew who's currently serving. There are a lot of men and women who gave up a good part of their lives so that we could live in a free democracy. My grandfather had 2 brothers who were killed in the First World War.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Freedom is never free. It's important to remember those and those who are still serving.
Yes, I agree. Thank you so much, Christine, and my condolences. I'm sorry that you had to go through all your losses, and thank you for your sacrifices. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, thanks.
Excuse me. Sorry.
In his 20s.
Excuse me.
And he never recovered.
This is a beautiful
Wouldn't it be? Did you see the projections they had at night?
I'm Kira.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Kira.
I'm Kalia.
It's a pleasure to meet you,
Nice to meet you. Kalia.
That's Kalia. I'm so sorry.
No,
I'm
it's
cold.
okay. Kalia.
Kalia.
My grandfather served, so I come here for him because he passed away 6 years ago.
My condolences.
It's okay. So it's a special time for me and my family. Normally I'm with my mom, but she is in a different city right now, so I came with Kira. So it's for him.
That's good. I'm glad that you guys are uniting. You're not sisters, are you? Friends?
No, just friends.
Do we look related?
You're both beautiful.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Why do you think it's important for young people to remember?
I think it's important because we're living in a country that's now free because of the people that came before us, and I think it's important to remember those people and say thank you. And you never know when the next thing is going to happen and when it's going to be our time to serve our country. So
thank you so much.
I think it's important because it may not have affected us personally, but I think our parents were able to make decisions, our grandparents were able to make decisions based on the actions that came before them. So I don't think that any of us would be here in the education systems, just any infrastructure really, that without them.
Yes. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the ceremony.
Thank you so much. Happy Remembrance Day.
Thank you. You too. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm really cold right now, man. The cold is getting to me. My hands are freezing. I don't know what's going on. I'm a Canadian, but I guess at heart, I'm a black person. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? I'm good. How are you?
Good, man. I'm doing great.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Hannah.
Yeah, good to see
it's
you.
a pleasure. I never got to talk to you during the Canada First rally.
Yeah.
But it's nice to talk to you now, you know?
Yeah, good to see you.
Good to see you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this.
I like
ceremony.
your Dundas video with the art guy.
Oh,
the art guy.
Andrew.
He's an interesting character.
Yeah.
If you put his pieces of art, whatever, in a building museum and charge $150 entrance, people are like, huh? Have you seen this guy's work? Oh my God. But because it's on the side of the street, they're like, this is so interesting because in New York they did an experiment where they put this actual expensive art on the side of the street and nobody was looking at it for free, right? But he's eccentric and artists are eccentric. That's why they ended up all sorts of places. So I mean, if you want an original piece of art and you like it, don't just pick it up because you think it's cool because it's homeless or whatever. But those are the kind of art that's kind of got a value and it's going to be interesting more than the ones that I guess IKEA and stuff people are picking up, But that's very interesting. Just because it's on the side of the street, people don't respect it. I interviewed one person and I don't know what kind of story. I'm just winging it, like you said in your video. You're winging it. Like I don't have a script.
I know it's very difficult for me because I'm naturally introverted, right? So I'm not good at approaching people. But I think I'm improving.
So, this is going to be good for that. The mainstream is they got to stand there, you got to say this and do that thing.
Yeah.
But that's boring, right? You know, they all the interview this guy. So I want it to be, I don't know what's going to happen. I just like, maybe it's a boring video, maybe it's an interesting video. That's what makes the YouTubers interesting. Because each person has a different perspective. And everybody's doing it kind of off the cuff, so you don't know what you're gonna get.
That's
right?
so true. Yeah.
Like all the media, they all have the camera in the same spot.
I know.
Pointing
same angle.
Same direction. You know. But one is about an inch over here. That's it. But like that's it. That's all of them. Like it's gonna be exactly like last year's show.
Did you come? Is this your first time coming?
No, I came here last year and the year before. Last year we went to Queen's Park.
Okay.
And there was much better weather, and the Queen's Park was a lot of people there, but there was nothing happening.
Oh, okay.
So this year, then we came here last year towards the end. So this year we decided just to come here. Like, there's a group of us, like 4 or 5 of us. We all hang out together.
Okay.
But you know, she's been off for a while, so she can hang out with me. Other people, like, we hang out on the weekend. So like,
oh, that's so nice. Yeah. That's
we do a lot of activities, like we do kayaking sometimes together.
Oh,
so
very adventurous.
We met a group. Like, what's what you got to do? You got to meet a group of people like you like-minded. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yeah, I agree with you.
I'm an introvert too, so I like to just like tag along.
Oh yeah.
And, like
I'm exactly like that too, introverted. You know.
Yeah.
But like I go by myself everywhere. Yeah, and I try to meet new people, so it's very
If you're doing this, you're not that introvert. Because like introverts are like, don't look at me, don't look at me.
Yeah.
But you're like, hey, kind of look at me. The channel's gonna be good. You got the good energy.
I appreciate it so much. Take care, guys.
Take care.
Enjoy the ceremony, okay? Bye. Take care. Bye.
See you. See you.
Strength Commission, God of Honor. Aye, right.
My name is Andrew Colhoun.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Andrew Colhoun.
Yes.
My name is Marcus.
Hi, Marcus.
Hi. When you see the poppy, what does it symbolize to you personally?
It brings back memories of sacrifice that generations in the past have made. For me personally, my grandfather fought in World War II in North Africa in the British troops. My father was born in 1939 in Glasgow. One of his earliest memories is being in a bomb shelter.
Wow.
So it is, it just, for me, it's the sacrifice that people like my grandfather left their families to go and sacrifice and give up their freedoms. He survived the war,
thank God.
but so that we can have the privileges we have today. So hopefully future generations remember all these wonderful people that did so much in the past and are doing so much today, the way that I remember my grandfather, and that appreciate what they've done to make this country as absolutely amazing as it is.
Thank you. Visual sentence today are mounted by the 48th Highlanders.
Be quiet.
A primary reserve regiment of the Canadian Forces. The centuries
Politically correct horseshit.
the first and second World Wars and current day. They are led by Warrant Officer Duff. Should you wish to follow today's program on your own device,
Hey, my name is Christopher Tuckwood. I live here in Toronto. I was in the military myself, but I have a family connection, or sort of a family history of military service. My great-grandfather was in the Battle of Vimy Ridge, and one of his brothers was killed in the Battle of the Somme.
Oh, my condolences.
Oh, thank you. I mean, that's going back a very long time, so I didn't know them, of course, but I appreciate that. I've been to Vimy Ridge. I went there for Remembrance Day 2 years ago, and you know, saw the name of one of my relatives engraved on the monument.
Oh,
which
that must have been emotional for you.
it was, strangely, even though of course it's somebody I didn't know. I mean, he was killed well over a century ago, but it was very significant, and I think it's important, whatever people might feel about, you know, the military or particular government policies or specific conflicts and that sort of thing. This aspect of our history and the things that people have done before.
Yes, thank you. That's a beautiful answer, and thank you, your family, and thank you for your service, because it doesn't matter if you were in combat or not. You served in the military and you fought for our country, so that's what matters the most, and I appreciate you.
I did what I could, and yeah, thank you for saying that. If you don't mind me just adding as well, like thinking beyond Canada and Canadian history and, you know, the broader history of, you know, the British Empire, let's say, and things that Canada's been a part of. My current work also is very focused on conflict and people who are affected by atrocities in conflict zones right now in the present. And so I think it's also important for us to think about war and conflict and military service and rights and freedom and democracy and all of these things, not just as a part of history, but as a part of the present, and things that we still need to protect in one way or another, whether it's at home in Canada or abroad, and whether that means military service or being advocates for peace and justice and human rights and all these things. So to me it all ties together, and that links to Remembrance Day as well.
Could you please introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is
No, she's too
it's
shy.
Okay, it's okay. Sorry. Like, it's okay. Like, it's fine.
Okay, all right, take care. Have a blessed day. Thank you for your service. So guys, I recently bought a new Blue Jays hat. It's a red and white Blue Jays hat. Tell me how it looks. I'm in front of a chocolate store right now. Hello, sir. How are you? Good. You're good? What type of chocolate is that?
Hazelnut milk.
Hazelnut milk?
Yes.
Okay.
Real? Made in Switzerland.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
You too.
Is this for you, mademoiselle?
It is, yes.
Congratulations on your new friend Frankie. That's so exciting for you, my gosh.
Thank you so
Au
much.
revoir.
Bye.
Hello,
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. This is my first time coming here and seeing your guys' Tim Hortons shop.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you guys do specifically?
Well, we have the all these classic toys here that people can buy. And if they want, they can come and have a chef's experience where we will cook it up perfectly, you know?
That's beautiful. Yeah.
It's nice, it's a good time.
I can hear your accent. You're from France or Montreal?
Actually,
Quebec?
the truth is, this is a character that I have made. You want to hear another one?
Let me hear another one.
I also have a Scottish chef. I can switch over and be a Scottish chef. I'll do it right now. I'll do it for this lady. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, great. Can I make your drink for you? What are you having, lass?
Can I have a London fog?
A London fog? Oh, that's the classiest drink I've had all day. Let's go, let's get it going. I'll get it just right for you. Do you want a little sprinkle of cinnamon with it?
Sure.
Oh, just a little bit, you know, just nice and subtle, that's the way. There it is. I'll get the lid on there. Now, your London fog's going to be very hot.
Yes.
All right, don't burn yourself. But just to be sure, I'm going to put it in this incredibly cute little box. Just to protect you, and look at how happy your little London fog is, isn't he? Great. Get in there, wee one. He's all fresh and ready. There it is. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
What's your name, sir?
Simon.
Simon, it's a pleasure to meet you, Simon. My name is Marcus. Thank you for all the entertainment, man.
Oh,
You're
it's
a
my
good
pleasure,
guy.
Marcus.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Hey, take care.
Happy Remembrance Day.
Yes, happy Remembrance Day. Absolutely. Respect to all the vets.
Yeah, it's
Absolutely.
good that we can reflect and honor all the men who sacrificed so much for this country.
Absolutely.
For our freedom, you know?
It's a level of courage that I think is unfamiliar to most people today, and I think about that often.
Yes, thank you so much, Simon.
Take
Have
care.
a good day.
You
God
too.
bless. Yeah. Wow, Simon he has so much energy. It's crazy. He's like an actor. It's good to come here and, you know, it's a Tim Hortons shop. Tim Hortons shop. So, you know, good energy, good characters, good for the vlog. And today we just respect, reflect, and remember. Happy Remembrance Day. So that's the end of this video, guys. I know it wasn't really entertaining, but I got different people's perspectives about Remembrance Day, and I think it's important for us to remember those who sacrificed everything and put their lives on the line just for our freedom and much more. So thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.